Hi guys, welcome back. So today I have the March monthly spread for you, and yes, this is a voiceover. Just kind of because I was needing to be really quiet when I filmed this. So just going over the kit here. It's from TempLovesCrafts if you guys missed the haul. And it is a mint and kind of like bronzy gold kind of St. Patrick's Day kit. I am coming at you with this pretty late in the month. I'm hoping to have April up a lot sooner, and it's just been hard, I guess, to film. I don't know. Sometimes I don't feel the inspiration to film, or like this one, I didn't really have the ability to talk during the video because of, life. If you guys don't know, my husband works 12-hour night shifts, and my craft room is connected to our bedroom, so when I was filming this, he was sleeping. So I'm just going in with the sidebar here. I really have noticed that I don't have a use for the sidebar in the monthly spread anymore because I'm tracking bills and stuff in different ways this year. I'm kind of like fleshing it out because I thought that there aren't enough bill labels or bill due labels in monthly kits for the amount of bills that we have. I think we have like 16 or something that we have to pay or that come out every month that I need to like remind myself that they're coming out. So that's not even possible with a normal monthly kit. So I have tried listing them in the sidebar. That doesn't really work because they're kind of just an afterthought. So I came up and with a monthly bill tracker in the back of the Erin Condren. I didn't come up with it. It's from Wonderful Designs. It's a printable, and it's really awesome because it literally lets you like write down all of the bills, and then there's 12 months of check boxes. So I just took that printable, which is an 8.5 by 11, and trimmed it to fit 2 pages in the note section of the Erin Condren, which is awesome. And then I printed her personal size as well to go in my personal planner, which was not there during my March setup. So sorry about that. I wish I would have shown you, but it's Wonderful Designs. She has a blog. That's what she does all of her printables. So super easy peasy. Trying to think if there's anything else I needed to tell you guys because I literally just don't know. March has been an interesting month. We have my son's birthday coming up, and for those who don't know, I play Pokemon Go, and we have a Pokemon Community Day coming up. And that's always fun because you just kind of get out and you like see all these people that play Pokemon Go, and you kind of get to know familiar faces in your area, and it's really cool because then when you see them not playing Pokemon Go, it's like, wait, I know you, but I don't know where I know you from. So that's always fun. And yeah, this isn't super sped up. I really didn't mark a whole lot in this spread. I just kind of put down the decorative full boxes, the holidays, the banners and the ladybug and stuff are personal things that I track, and like I said, the sidebar just hasn't been useful for me. I've reached out to a couple of shops to see if maybe they'll start offering a kind of different monthly setup, one that's maybe more decorative. If you guys know of one that offers like a decorative sidebar where like the top clip art kind of just flows down that sidebar and maybe ends with like a little section of like the calendar for next month, let me know. I think that would be extremely beneficial to me. I also don't like to spend a ton of money. I actually went back and looked. I did not buy any stickers in the month of February. I wasn't on a no spend. I just didn't buy stickers. And if you guys didn't know, there is a sale coming up the weekend of the 23rd, 24th, and 25th. It's called Planner Extravaganza. Head over to Instagram, just type that in your search, and you should find it. There's some awesome shops in that sale. And I know there's like, I think there's a, I think MPM is coming up. Like, that's the monthly planner madness. It's like the 22nd or something, so definitely check that out as well, because I'm going to be doing most of my spending. My biggest thing, guys, is not actually kits. Like, I'm okay on kits, I think, all the way through to, I think, the 3rd week of May. I'm actually, like, using up my stickers, which is, like, shock, right? Like, I'm not going to, like, hoard. I'm trying not to hoard stickers anymore and actually use them. Right here I was just flipping through so I could like see all my spreads and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you guys are Harry Potter fans, this week is the Hogwarts House Pride Week, and I forgot to say so in my plan with me. It just worked out that it was my son's birthday and it was a Harry Potter themed kit from Coffee Doodles, and it was also the House Pride Week. So Tuesday is Hufflepuff Pride, House Pride. Wednesday is Slytherin House Pride Day. Thursday is Gryffindor, and Friday is Ravenclaw. So if you're in those houses, if you've ever done the sorting hat on Pottermore, then you know what house you're in and you can celebrate. And I am a Hufflepuff, so it's just been really fun because I share Hufflepuff with my son, and my daughter's a Ravenclaw, and my husband is a Gryffindor. Which is so funny because I've even tried like creating a new Pottermore account and retaking the sorting hat quiz to see if I could like change my answers a little bit and get a different house, because I've always identified more with the Ravenclaws. Like, they're super smart, and that is kind of who I was growing up. So, oh yay, wadding up leftover stickers. It's time to go in the trash. Goodbye. So long, I'll miss you. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up the monthly spread, and all I'm going to do is take some leftover stickers from the kit and throw them down on the notes page, just kind of tie everything together, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to say hi in the comments and leave a like, subscribe if you're not already, and if you have any questions, just let me know down below. Any information that you need pertinent to this spread, actually there's only one shop, is TempLovesCrafts. I'll have her Shopify link down below in the description box. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and happy Hogwarts House Pride Day. Much love to all of you, and I normally say that with that little heart that I make on the screen, but that will come up. And here's what's left of the kit. Not much. Right into the back of my planner for me to use. So like, subscribe. Much love to all of you. Bye for now. Also, if you want to see more other videos, there's a box there with a video on the left, and if you're not subscribed, you can just click my face and that will let you subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great one.